Hello everyone, Interstate here. This will be the unboxing of the LG Tribute 5. I forgot what carrier this is on, and telling from the pictures it does work, but with cracks on the screen. This is the first layer. Now here's the second. And here's the phone. Here it is, everyone. LG Tribute 5. I do not see any signs of it being on a carrier, so it very may well be unlocked. I like this one. This one almost reminds me of my very first phone that I had back in 2017. Wish I had it. Wish I still had that phone. As you can see, there is the cracks going down the screen, along with this one going across there, but should still work. But yeah, there's really nothing much to this video because I don't really know what to talk about, and I opened the packaging rather quickly with the help of this. So yeah, this was the unboxing of the LG Tribute 5. I hope you enjoyed. Share the video, like and subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. I upload whenever I can. See y'all in the next video. 95 out.